Okay, what were you saying? Oh, let me turn this TV down. Now, what were you saying?
Sir, my name is Peter,
Okay, nice to meet you, Peter. Nice to meet
and
you.
I am calling you from your TV services, television services. How are you doing today?
Our television service, I'm doing good.
Okay. Heriberto Santiago.
No, Richard H. Bush.
Yeah.
But nice to meet you.
Okay, goodbye.
No, what do we got to do with my TV?
I am going to cancel your TV service right now
Why? Why? Are you gonna cancel my
because you
TV?
are not cooperating me. You are not cooperating.
That's why I'm asking. What do I have to do? I don't want my TV service
Okay.
canceled. Don't do that.
Okay. And
You
so
can't
let
do.
me know. Are you watching TV right now?
I'm watching some porno. But yeah, I'm watching TV.
What are you watching?
Porno.
What is a porno?
Yeah. Well, shit. You asked if I'm watching TV. I'm telling you what I'm watching. So what do I gotta do?
Okay, goodbye.
No. What do I have to do?
You watch porn.
No. I don't want
You
my.
watch porn video. You watch.
No.
You watch porn.
Well, shit. I'm a man. What do you think? I'm by myself. What now? What do I gotta do to fix my TV service? I guess he didn't want to help me with my TV service. So that's my first call of the day. I know it was short. Was it? I make y'all laugh and did I entertain y'all a little bit? I wanted to get my TV services fixed, but this some bitch is gonna cancel my shit. But anyways, hope I made y'all laugh a little bit. You know, like, comment, subscribe, share if you like. And like I always say, if they call me, I record. But y'all have a good day, have a good one, and I'll holla at y'all. Alright then, peace.